How do? Wednesday, is it 8th or 9th of May, something like that? I feel crap. I'll tell you what it is, how bad it is. It's 2:15, I think, something like that. I haven't even had a fag yet. I feel shit. We're in the van yesterday for a couple of hours, started going a bit funny, so I went in, blah, 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 get violins out. Right. I've done this. That there. That's it. That's all I've done. Oh. Yeah. There you go. What's going to happen is obviously the lats. So I've had to go and get some lats, which I got today. Oh, by the way, actually dropped van today. First time since 10th of January or something. And it were pissing now, really. And it hasn't leaked. The window has not leaked. No wet, no damp, no nothing. And it were absolutely throwing it down. I know we're driving into it. Right, so that's one good thing. Like I say, I got these cut. I had to get them ripped. There's a curve on one side. What I'll do, I'll just sand this side. It's only that you don't cut through cushions, isn't it? Right, yeah, the reason I had to get these made, because I've got some of these, but they wouldn't go across there unless I brought this out about 2 inch each side, and it looks stupid. So I've got these made, which are that much short, so it gives a bit of play. And I also got 20, so there's going to be plenty there. I can't get my head around how I did it last time at Contiki, where this here is covered, obviously, but covered with the same carpet, or I could use the material to go on top of that. You know what I mean? Another thing I need to tell you as well, the cushions are being made as I speak. Got a really good deal off brother-in-law, and well, in fact, I'm very happy. Right, yeah, so I've done that at the moment. Before I start going any further, I don't want to be latting it all up and struggling to get in. I'm doing the wiring for the final socket, which is going behind there. Yeah, I'm going to run it here, there, down there. It's going to go down there. Oh, I've took that out and all. What a bastard that was. God and Benny, there were that many. Whoever put that in. Terry, are you mental? God. No need for it. Really overkill. I don't think we were holding van together. Right, so I've got that out. Gonna run the wire along there, in here, over there, right. While everybody's on, in here I am going to have my Chinese heater. Went online last night to actually purchase one. 568 results on eBay alone. How are you supposed to pick which one's decent? It's just... how? So, if anybody can recommend one, I know you can recommend them, but it's which one? You know what I mean? I don't want to be buying a duff or a bad seller or anything like that. Right, so, yeah, I cut my lats for this yesterday, and then I thought to myself, hang on, my diesel heater's in there. Am I better off with a board on? You know what I mean? Then it's proper boxed in, then, isn't it? Because like I say, I'm going to have a outlet there, and when that's blowing, it's going to keep me tooties warm in the mornings while I'm eating my bacon and eggs, sat at my table in front of my new window, and that's it. Right, now I've been stupid. Right, one by one way now. Yeah, right, I'm going to get this wire in. Like I say, I'm going to take it over around there. I've got to put another piece there, because if I'm putting a board in, I don't want it bowing. So put a piece there, piece across there, That's that done. Fixed. Finished. Run the wire at the bottom of this channel. It's going to come out there, along there, and through there, like I say, into a socket. Then the only socket then I've got to put in is the one in the kitchen, which has also got a fuse switch, which will be going to the fridge, I think. Yeah, double socket and then into a switch onto the fridge. So if I want to, I can just isolate the switch at any time. So, people, God, I'm feeling crap. Right, I shall go now and see what I can do. Well, I've been at it about an hour, and all I've done is from there to there. I just can't be arsed, honestly. Right, anyway, I've got it underneath. It's lying, that's upside down, I know, but who gives a shit. Right, it's going underneath that. I hate visible wires. Whether it's the OCD in me or what, I don't know. And I've had to do that. There. I haven't had a choice. I can't bring it out at the bottom because it's where the water fitting is. And if there is a leak, obviously I don't want it. I know it's not going to penetrate the wire, but yeah, so I'm really pissed off with that. In fact, I'm that pissed off, I might make a box section for it. So I've got some scraps of this coloured ply. Oh, it's annoying. I can't cope. Anyway, right, so that's there now. I'm going to run it on here. Oh, obviously take it through here. Oh God, I feel crap. Oh, sorry, I'm having a fag. Yeah, having a fag. And for all you anti-smokers out there, up yours. And I've also made myself a coffee. Yeah, lovely. Oh, I really don't want to be in here today. But I think you can tell. Oh, I've got a present. I'll show you. It's just been delivered. I think it's 3:15, 3:30 or something. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Don't open it with me. Oh yeah, fat fucker. Yeah. Seals direct. And it's that. It's a box of matches for me fags. Now look, caravan and motorhome window rubber cover strip fitting tool. You know, you can't buy these off anyone else. I think it's their own design. Must be. So they've got a monopoly on the price. Well, look at that. That's it. Yeah, apparently your white, that goes under your rubbers, you know, like each side goes under your rubber lip. Push it in. You push the white strip in there, pops out here under the strip, and you basically push that all the way around the window. Yeah. How much do you think? I shall show you, and I got this off eBay because it were actually 40p cheaper than the website. £21.40 for that. They must be making an absolute mint. But if it does the job, because I tried to get that white piece in the bathroom and I couldn't do it. Plus I've got these 3 windows to do. So I might, what I could do, if anybody's doing a project and they've a lot to do, rather than paying the £21 something, if they pay for postage, a couple of quid towards the Talbot Owners Club, I'll send it to them, and then I'll send an envelope with it and everything, and we'll sort out the price for doing it. In other words, you're basically hiring it. It's like a, I don't know what it's like. Pretty though, isn't it? Right. I'm going to have my brew now. And my fag.